Yeah, hi team. Welcome to SK Technologies. So in this session, I will explain you about disk partitions. So generally, your server having major devices like CPU, hard disk, memory, network adapters. So these are the major devices which are minimum requirement to start to initiate your server. Without these resources, you cannot initiate even. Okay, you cannot initiate your server even. So hard disk, the main purpose of the hard disk is to store some data. Normally, if you take any real-time projects like real-time scenarios like banking project. So people every day they were making transactions, right? Like withdrawing the amount, depositing the amount, making the checks, and transferring requests, DDs, all this stuff. Every day, people making some transactions. All those transaction information is storing in the hard disks only. Okay. With the help of this disk partition, and once we done this, we will be discussing the LVM. This is the major content in the Linux administration. So LVM is very important topic. With the help of the LVM, in a standard way, we are storing the data on hard disk. So directly, that is a physical hardware, right? A physical device, right? You cannot store it, cannot store the data, right? So with the help of the operating system, it's a Linux operating system. In a standard way, we are storing the data on hard disk. So that is what the disk partition and LVM also. So first we will discuss about the disk partition. What are the steps? What are the stages involved in that? The way how you are storing the data through disk partition, all this stuff we will discuss. Once we done the disk partition, so there are a couple of drawbacks with this disk partition. So that is the reason we are implementing the LVM, logical value manager. So how we can overcome these drawbacks? So practically we will see in the LVM. So first you need to understand so how to check these physical devices, hardware with the help of the operating system. So definitely you might aware the commands, right? So everything we are achieving with the Linux CLI commands. So even the hardware details also you can list out with the commands only. So so let's assume there are a couple of disks in my server. So how to verify? So you can use the fdisk utility, fdisk-l, or there is another command which is lsblk. Can go and check. So this will be displaying your hard disk information. Let me show on the, let me log in on my server and I'll show you. So this is one of my AWS mission. If you remember, when we are creating this EC2 instance, we are assigning some storage, 8 GB storage. So now we will see. This is the fdisk is one of the tool, guys, utility. With the help of this disk, we are dealing with the hard disks. So fdisk-l, if you observe here, see this is the disk. It is informing the, it is showing the disk information. So this is the disk. Name of the disk is /dev/xvda. Because of this is the Amazon mission. So that is the reason you are seeing this xvda. This is a virtual disk actually. But in the real time, you might see /dev/. Okay, so name of the disk. Fine. So name of the disk, here it is showing /dev/xvda, correct? But in the real time, you might see /dev/sda, /dev/vda, or /dev/hda, based on the hard disk owner, hard disk company. So SCSI related disks having SDA. Okay, S series SCSI, HDA, and VDA virtual disk. So this is Amazon mission. No? That is the reason we are having the name of the disk is /dev/xvda. If you remember, If you observe here, the common thing is /dev/dev because this is the device. This is the one of the device for your server. That is the reason all devices are exist under /dev directory. This is also default directory. So all devices exist under this /dev, like your CPU, your memory, even memory also exists under /dev only. Fine. So here only one disk. Here we are having only one disk as of now, and these are the partitions. I will tell you how to make the partitions and all. So this is the hard disk, and this is the size, total size. Actually, you might have the sectors. Actually, we will see later what are this sector. First sector, what is the value of this sector, each sector, and what are the total size. All the stuff we will discuss later. So this is the command to display the your raw disk information. This is the raw disk. Okay, and there is another command which is lsblk. So this is also showing the same output. I mean, showing same result but a different output. See, xvda. This is the total size. This is the disk, and these are on top of this hard disk, on top of this raw disk. These are the partitions. We will see in next session. We will see partitions and all. Okay. So as of now, I'm having only one hard disk. Fine. So now what I will do, I will go and create one hard disk. Okay. So create a raw disk and attach. So this is what I will show you in this video. It's pretty simple. Just to go and open your EC2 dashboard, log in your AWS account, go to your EC2 dashboard. This is my dashboard. In the left side, simply click on the volumes which is under elastic blocks. Click on simple here. Here right side, see create volume. Simply click on create volume. Provide some space like 4GB I am giving, and make sure guys. So once we creating this volume, we are attaching to server, right? So your server should be in the same availability zone. Let me verify. Let me open the duplicate session. Let me go to EC2 dashboard again. Okay, and I will check my instance available where it is, because I have to attach it, right? So let me attach the running server. I think it is in the 1A only availability zone, 1B. See, 1B, make sure guys your availability zone must be same in both line, I mean server, EC2 server, and volume also 1B. So let me create the volume in the 1B, then just create, click on create. So it will create a volume with 4GB size, and you can provide some name also, like it's a data volume. Fine, then you can check the availability. It's a 1B only. So all my servers and my disks also in the 1B only. So it is in the creating state. Now it is available. Now simply click on this volume, then click on actions, then attach. Click on the attach volume. So here you can select the missions. So currently I want to attach, this is the running server. So I am selecting this. Names, you can go with the default names guys, standard names only can go, then attach. That's it. You can come here. Now it is in the in use state. So earlier it is in the preparing state, creating state, available state. Now in use state. Okay, so this is the AWS activity, but no worry about this. Now let me go and verify from my server. So again I will use the same command, fdisk-l. See, this time it is showing my new disk. So this is the my disk name /dev/xvdf and 4GB. That's it. That's it guys. In simple way you can go and create the volume and attach it. Then you can verify. So you can verify with the lsblk command also. See, earlier there is no, now it is showing /dev/xvdf. How much size? Total 4. This is the disk. So later we will creating the partitions on top of this disk. Okay. Thank you guys. That's it for this video. So we will see in the next video. Thank you.